Welcome everyone to my YouTube channel HTN Maths Academy. Today we will solve a simple but interesting math expression. 9 by 7 divided by 9 by 7. Let's solve it step by step. Step 1. Follow BODMAS or order of operations. According to BODMAS, multiplication and division are done from left to right. So we read the expression exactly as open parenthesis 9 times 7 close parenthesis divided by 9 times 7. Step 2. Solve the first multiplication. 9 times 7 is equal to 63. Now the expression becomes 63 divided by 9 by 7. Step 3. Solve division. 63 divided by 9 is equal to 7. So now we have 7 by 7. Step 4. Final multiplication. 7 times 7 is equal to 49. Final answer, 49. Conclusion. So by following the correct order of operations, 9 times 7 divided by 9 times 7 is equal to 49. This is a great example showing why solving left to right in multiplication and division is important. Thank you.